Possible Finance usually stops working because of verification issues, bank connection errors, or account eligibility problems inside the app's approval system. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons the app fails to load, won't approve a loan, or rejects your bank connection, and what to do step by step to fix it. Start with the most common issue. Bank connection failure is one of the biggest reasons Possible Finance stops working. The app relies on connecting to your bank account to verify income and repayment ability. If that connection fails, the whole application process can break down. This usually happens when your bank blocks third-party connections, or the account login system doesn't sync properly. The fix is simple in most cases. Remove the bank connection inside the app and reconnect it again using updated login credentials. Now, look at eligibility issues. Possible Finance checks your income patterns and bank activity before approving anything. If your account doesn't show consistent deposits or looks inactive, the app may stop the process without clearly explaining it. That doesn't mean the app is broken. It means the system doesn't have enough financial data to approve a loan. Now talk about app performance issues. Sometimes the app doesn't load or keeps crashing due to outdated versions. Older app versions can cause login failures or stuck screens. The fix is to update the app through the official App Store and restart your phone after installation. Now, look at verification problems. Identity verification is required before approval can continue. If your ID upload fails or your camera scan doesn't complete, the application process may freeze. In that case, retake the verification in better lighting and make sure your ID is fully visible, without glare or blur. Now, check account restrictions. Some users run into issues if their bank account is newly opened or has very limited activity. The system relies on transaction history to evaluate risk. Without that history, approval or full access may not work correctly. Now here's a simple reset method that often fixes multiple issues at once. Log out of the app completely. Restart your phone. Reinstall the app from the official store. Reconnect your bank account again from scratch. This clears most temporary errors and forces a fresh data sync. Here's the key breakdown. Possible Finance stops working mainly due to bank connection errors, eligibility gaps, outdated app versions, or verification failures. Most of these are not permanent issues and can be fixed with resets or updated account information. Quick recap. Fix bank connection first. Update the app, reach re-verification, and ensure your bank account shows consistent activity. Next step is simple. Start with the bank connection reset before trying anything else, because that solves the most common failure point. Like and subscribe for more simple fixes for money apps without the confusion.